Welcome everyone. Today, inshallah, we will start a new lesson for grade 2. It's about subject and object pronouns. About subject and object pronouns. Okay, let's start our lesson now. As I told you again, it's about subject and object pronouns. But before we start speaking about both kinds, we have to remember what is a pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is any word that takes place of a noun. It's any word that takes place of a noun. Takes place of a noun? Yeah, takes place of any noun. Noun. Teacher, please remember us what is a noun. Yeah, noun is a name of person or a name of animal or a name of place. Grade 2. If I ask you about a name of person, you can say my dad, my mom, my teacher, or you speak about yourself as a person. About an animal, you can say cat, dog, tiger, lion, or any other kind of of animals. If I ask you about the places, you can say school, hospital, or police station, or any other place. Anything like your marker, your pen, your pencil case, these are things or materials that we use and we consider them non-living things. Okay, so we will complete speaking about pronouns. Like here, our example, we have Chris is a driver. Chris that you see in the picture is a driver. He drives a bus. He drives a bus. So if you look at the two sentences, Chris is a man. Chris is a man. We use he instead of the word Chris. That means we use he instead of males. Instead of males. Let's complete. Chris is a driver. He drives a bus. So here he is a pronoun that we use instead of the noun Chris. Okay? Now we will start speaking about subject pronouns. What are subject pronouns? The subject, as we know, is the doer of the action. The subject is the doer of the action. So here, subject pronoun does the action. Does the action. Where? In a sentence. Oh, teacher, that means we must use the subject pronoun before the verb? Yeah, we must use it as the structure of the sentence that we know. We must use the subject before the verb. The subject comes before the verb. This is the correct order for our sentence. We use the subject before the verb. Yes, let's see here. He drives a bus. He drives a bus. Where is the verb or the action? It's the word drives. The action is drives. Who does the action or who is the doer of the action? He. So we use he as a subject pronoun. Let's complete. We will start now. Take them one by one in details. First person singular pronoun. That means that I speak about myself. So I will use I. I will use I when I speak about myself. What can I use? I pronoun. I, and take care that pronoun I must be capitalized everywhere in any place in the sentence, at the beginning, in the middle, it's okay, but we must write it in capital form all the time. Now, let's see. I live in a big city. I live in a big city. I is subject pronoun. I is subject pronoun. Now, let's see this. We have a nice car. We have a nice car. We is a plural form is a pronoun. A plural form of a pronoun. So, we also is subject pronoun, but for plural words. Yeah, as we see, it's first person plural pronoun. Now, second person singular pronoun is the word you. Teacher, but we know that we can use you as singular and plural. Yes, good. Singular and plural. Because if I speak to only one of you, that means it's singular. So I will say, you are a good student. In this case, I treat with this word as a singular pronoun. But if I say, you are good students, that means it will be plural. As we will see now in the example in front of our eyes. Let's see. You are watching this video. So I speak to only one person who is watching the video. But now, let's see. You, as a plural word, we will use it for all of the students. You are all studying English. That means it's for plural. The third person singular pronoun is what? He, she, it. We use he, as we said before, for male, she for female, and it for non-living and animals or pets. Okay? That's it for subject pronouns. See, he is a strong man, and she has 3 children. Cairo is in Egypt, so we will use it instead of Cairo. It's a nice place to visit. And third person plural pronoun is they. Do you know grade 2 that we can use they for living and non-living? How, teacher? Yeah, if we have group of people, we will use they. Also, if we have group of animals, we will use they also. Let's see. The children. The children speak many languages, so they are very clever. But let's see here. Yeah, we use they for humans. But now, after this example, we will see how can we use it for cars also. These cars are expensive, so we will say they were made in Germany. They for cars. Yeah, so that means they is the plural form of what? Of it. Okay, thank you for listening. Inshallah, meet you in another video. Bye.